Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Dynamo from Powerpuff Girls. Grab your marker and follow along with me. We'll start with Dynamo's head. We're going to draw an oval. Now we're going to draw here. You're going to start here on top, within the oval, and you're going to make an A shape. And then from the legs, you're going to go back, connect it to the side of the head. Now right below that, we're going to draw Dynamo's eyes. And just below the hairline. And we're going to do the same for the other eye as well. And right below the eyes, a little smile off to the side. Now we're going to draw a bow on top of the head. We're going to start here, you're going to draw a little V. One there, and then on this side, one as well. We're going to curve it back to the top of the head and just make a little dividing line. Let's do the same for the other side as well. And a dividing line. And then just a little upwards curve to connect the bow. On the side, we're going to draw two ponytails. And let's do the same for the side as well. And then we're just going to connect it like this. Now we're going to go and we're going to draw Dynamo's body. We're going to draw a leg as well. And you're just going to break the leg halfway up. Now let's do the same on the other side. And we're going to bring the leg about the same way up as well. And now we're going to do an upwards curve. And there's the dress. And then in the dress, we're going to draw a belt. And then we're just going to draw the top of the dress as well. Now we can go to the feet. We're going to draw the shoes. We're going to divide the leg with a line. And now we're going to draw the arms. I'm going to draw a straight line down, and on this side another straight line down. And I'm going to connect it to the body. And now we're going to draw the elbow, top arm, the elbow and the lower arm, and bring it back. And we're going to do the same on this side as well. And then we're just going to draw a few dividing lines. And there we go, and there's Dynamo. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will turn out great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.